Hello, welcome to another lecture. In this lecture, we are going to be learning how to start a new part file in SolidWorks. There are several ways to start a new part file. The first one is you can click on File up here, and you have New, and it brings you to this page. And on this page, you have to select which type of document you want to create. We are creating a part file. In this example, we'll select Part and click OK. And let's close that. So to close it, let's click on this X up here. And another way to start a new part file is to click on the New up here, or Control N, and brings you to this page. And if your page doesn't look like this, you might be on the Advanced, which looks something like this. So all you need to do is click this button back here to bring it back to the Novice. And again, you have the option to select the type of document you want to create. We are creating a part file. Click OK to open it. And let's close it again. The third way we can start a new part file is to click on the SolidWorks resources over here. And we have the new document here. Click on it. Again, it brings you to this page. Select part and OK. And those are the ways you open a new part file in SolidWorks. And if you have any questions, please let me know, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.